into Math Module 12, Customary Measurement. Who won the high jump? Use the table to award the medals for the high jump competition. So, first place, we want to look at which column, guys. So, the first column is the names, right? And then so we have 8 different competitors, right? Okay, so first and third is the competitors, and then the second and fourth are how high they jumped, right? Okay, so in this case, so we want the longest measurement, right? Okay, now if we were going to write down the record for times, you would want the what? The shortest amount of time, right? Okay, but in this case, you want the highest. Okay, so who had the longest one then, guys? Ariana, right? Okay, who had the second longest? Okay, so some of these are only in inches and feet, right? So Ariana's is in inches, okay? Bridget's is in yards. So how many inches are in a yard? 36 inches, right? 4 feet would be what? 48 inches. Okay. Erica is 40. So Darlene and Erica are already in inches. 5 feet would be how many inches? So 5 times 12 is 60 inches. And then 3 feet is how many inches? 36 inches. And then 2 yards is how many inches? There's 36 in a yard. So 36 times 2 would be 52 inches. So who has the next longest one? Okay, what about third? Frederick got it. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. Measure length to the nearest inch. Use an inch ruler. Measure the length to the nearest inch. Okay, so the leaf is about how long? 3 inches. Okay, measuring the pen. About how long is the pen? 5 inches. Digit, 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Find the product. So set your rulers down for a second. We're not messing with them. So 3 times 4 is 2. Carry the 1. 3 times 5 is plus 1 is so 162. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 is plus 1 is 9. So 96. 3 times 2 is 3 times 6 is so 186. 9 times 6 is so 4. Carry the 5. 6 times 4 is plus 5 is then 294. 5 times 5 is put the 5. Carry the 2. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 2 is so 425. 6 times 2 is put the 2. Carry the 1. 6 times 1 is so 72. Choose customary unit. So use benchmarks for links to choose the appropriate unit to measure each. So you're going to decide if it would be better to measure it in inches, feet, yard, or mile. Distance between your home and the next city. Mile. Right? Width of your math book. Inches.